guys.
Hello,
Where you from? Where you from?
Nepal.
Malum Tagalog, small Tagalog words.
Malum.
What speaking? What kind of words Tagalog?
Basura, tangina mo.
Batay.
Putangnya na.
Guapo, guapo.
Guapo.
Malum guapo.
Polvo.
Kalbo.
Malum.
What is guapo?
Mari.
Guapo. What is guapo?
Guapo means
Face, your face.
is
Handsome.
too much handsome. Pogi.
Pogi maganda.
Maganda.
Ate. Ate maganda.
Maganda ate. Naranaw.
What is your work? Trabaho dito, work.
My work is forklift driving. Sim Siraulo.
Good ha? Okay, thank you brother.